International Gospel Church Sofopenya wada ano Bishop Daniel Obinim adodo na anim ne se Angel Obinim ebusiafo ene day nsuso waba bepie mo ewo eya yapono eso na ensem a ene de aba ede afa ne ho de ebusia echen kroyi se de mo amonim no yem papa Bishop Daniel Obinim wo ye sofo a wono de obo ne ho ensamrane wono de nyame ede enam ne so eye ema na safo ema no wontwen ma asafo ba no mom emba bontin memeka ansa na ode ahwahwa no ho no ye sofo bi a wono a wodan ne ho adi ewo kwan sonko enso ne edo behu no social media so TV so oba bonten bebeka ne wono enko a ene sofo wotimi ekọ heaven ene nyankopon kokosi nkonya ekyerekere eye ensem hunu kwan ombeba fa so a jeso ombetimi age weye wo mayi wono nko a ena wo spiritual warehouse ewo wo mayi mu a chese na ne church members eyare wotimi kọ honom etimi koko yi nipadua no akwa na achasa atochima ni ebi no eba ebebesiesie edema ne nsorema wono nko a ena nyankopon ma ne ntaban achese wotimi etuo ebra ensuo eto ye na achese janam wotimi namu ekoko yi ne nsore ema sede meka no achese wo ye sofo achese wono de wo bone ho nsamrane ewe ni dwumadi a wodi anase nyankopon enam ne so ede ne eye ehum na ene de enye wonu mom ena aba bonten ebone ho nsamrane o wono ankasa ne church member sam ya woko mu ene de chese nyankopon eyi ni efri mu no waba bonten edi nsem bi etu dwa na according to eyaya maame no ne nsem odi etu edwa eyese na chese na ne ho emfa no abra na chese oye chirechi ni enso so eka ho enti suku a wowo mu no edua bi esi wo no na oye na adwense ne ho adudu ni yidie ene wonfa ye keten konkonko se ho na chese wonje na ho me kakra na no na chese ne mani bi woda ho na otisi wo mu etem se Angel Obinim na wonkonko dane nani akukọ ene gina ho na tia ne ba ne se ofro jade wo kan na we ya akukọ no hu se akukọ no nso no wo gina we wadane nani ede akire bia ye fufuro ebi enu nti ema ne ye na adwin se wonkonko hwe de akukọ yi ekọ akọhwe achese premere kakraka ena eda ye ehonum a wo baba beche no amene no a enisa na chese akukọ yi ena eje no na no na ne da ye sumu no ye papa Bishop Daniel Obinim eda ne ho adide che ne se wo no ena da ne ho akukọ ebebebe yi no edi freezer epo a na chese ni colleague teacher aye den upload ede afa no na chese abusuafo ensamrane aye papa da ne da wo bo ne ho no nyankopon esanso aye den aya wanwaso de foforo ede ama eye ne church member we de enye ya papa na amum na chese wo ba eye abontina ebusuafo mumenkotie ye maame ne nsem a wode etu edwa no embra ne ye ba ye beto aso.
Spiritual words for my sister is here to testify to the glory of God. She's by name Dorcas Agbevem. She's a professional teacher. Formerly she was teaching at Dawa off Aflau Road, Dawa Islamic School. But now currently she's teaching at Pram Presby School. Spiritual words president, according to her, when she was at Dawa Islamic School, one day, break time, she said she wasn't feeling well, so she went under a tree and then lay a mat and she slept on it. But because of the noise, she couldn't sleep. She woke up and she saw that there was this white hen just came and stood where she was lying. And then her daughter just came. She was playing around. She came around and the daughter shouted and said, "Ma, Angel Obinim," pointing at the hen. Sister was present. According to my sister, she asked this daughter to keep quiet. But the hen was staring at her. Then the hen would just turn a neck like this. Would stare at her and then turn the neck like this. So it was there she said, my daughter said Angel Obinim. Maybe this hen is Angel Obinim. I don't know what the hen is looking at from that direction. My sister said she just turned from the direction that the hen is looking at. It was a cobra, big snake that was coming towards her. So according to her, she screamed. And that day there was two police officers. She doesn't know where they came from. They were also sitting under the tree and they were able to kill the snake, the cobra for that matter. Spiritual was present. According to my sister, that same night she went to bed and dreamed that you appear in her dream, and you told her in the dream that it is you and Obinim that transformed yourself into that hen, physical, and came to her. And the reason is, where the snake is coming from, there is no way she will see it. The snake will bite her and she will die. But it was a certain woman behind the school, that was what we told her, that has asked the snake to come and bite her and kill her. But because she will not see the snake will bite. That is why you transform yourself into that hen physical and came and then show her that the snake is coming. Today she's here, glorify God. If it had not been you, spiritual word parent,
clap,
would have died by now.
Mommy, explaining your testimony in Ghana language. Is he saying?
Bruce, hallelujah. Beye last year mo by then na me try there dawa. Na break time na me home farming ti me the mat ebeto eduana se dawa school mo ho na me da so. Enti me ni so team me no. E me hu se akoko fite bi aba be gina me nchen. Na by then na kola we break nti no mu di agro. Iti waba ya nani bo akoko no so se Angel Obinim nam se kawa no tum afi me nu ya ne se akoko fita no ohwe na wahwe direction bi ohwe na wahwe direction bi enti wana mani ba se said akola ne ka se Angel Obinim na bia angel ba be ye bibi ama me enti me ntwa mani hwe ba bia akoko no ehwe no ye twa ye ne na premre kakraka the speed ani bre so e ba bia na mete no but then a police for me odubi nso aba school mu ho mo te bench so wo ho mo e na omo kun wo no enti na adwo me kwada ye na angel sa ba me da ye mu se ono na da ne akokọ ne ba ho mo obebo me ho ba ye fi se ma me bi wo ye school na chi ho mo ane ba ne me prade bi dedenden ono na hye da soma asa wa won se nka wo me ka me na me fi ate asefo so angel mi gina ha ya mi kanya ne se nya mi nhira wo nya me nya wo kase na wo wa ha nessa wa bema busa wo pebibi na ma wo banbo a wo wadie nyina nyame nhira mu nyina.
Amen. Akola we na bibie nani no ema ne hu akokọ no ayeye me no legasa akola no hwe ne ye se le ne me kan ho asem no se akola no hwe akola ne ye shakola ni onye nipa ketwa ne kuta wo no onye nipa ketwa efi wo bi ho a yenyi ne ma nkyere no shakola no hwe ne ye na wo ye inshira eba why okay bye bye.
Ghana for say and I am a me what didn't sem etu eye eja na just a Bishop Daniel Obinim said that that were born a hon samrane e kasa wo no de oye angel nyankopon bofo ba ko power ba be hyiemu e wo Ghana ye mayi emu no na just say eye no kra nkasa isan so no de otimi dane no ho in any form in any way bia said the be obetimi atwitwa e de age eye ne church member na ense we yesi na just say enye Ghana enye sorry enye enkran krudwe yi mu krampo e na sasem yi esi ya just say si ye e wo ye nuanom a wo esoro honom no entem na so ye papa yi etimi kokoduru e ye honom na dodo na e ka se free bresantin a chese yeti nyame ene na suafo ho nsensem yi ye hu se suafo bi anase nyankopon krompo edane ne ho akokọ edane ne ho eye aboa bi anase in any form bia ekokọje eye ne nkrofo wokọ na okọ in eye humanity wono ani ni peduabu ni pasumu na wokọ na eye angel than Obinim asem a wokan ye no na dodo na hu ne se da bi we de enya honhompa na wo yuso ebetimi abase wo yusu eye honhom fufuro bia wodi edi eye ni djuma enu nti na otimi edada ne ho san say sofo de apart from asofo wo mam Duncan Williams mo ya papa agina sare mo ya papa Sam Kranchi ankram obi ni ho no mam ne church member aba bonten aba be ye ebedi adanse ede afa ho se ne sofo edane ne ho akokọ den chempremre ne ho nkro ne baba beje no e wo situation ebi mu enti we die wo mo edwen ho a wo mo ente eye ase na so dodo na ho ne se said the Bishop Daniel Obinim dane da wo bone ho nsamrane no we e kire se Nyankopon enedi no edi eye ni dwuma na ebusuafo wutie eye ensem yi a eye anasesem anase eye no kwasem ensem we ebitimi si na se ebi ensi pen na ebi esi e wo ye bre yi emu a na kire se Nyankopon wasesa eye ne nyoma mu anase ne hihye ye mu ana ensem we de kire se ebusuafo ye dwen ho a ye ntimi enti ase na enam sem be no eso a emia enti no menso meto nsa e de afro so obitimi de wadwen twa wo fa ensem yi hum abetu edwa e wo tuma gin e comment section e de ama ye biem like videos na share or all the social media platform eso ekris kapa enemy den ha enam demo ebesi makramo